Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing today. I have so many boxes to open. Like, I have these Target boxes. I have like 3 Target boxes. I already did one unboxing already. I did 2 unboxings already. So, yeah, I have a lot to go through. And this, I already know what this bad boy is, so we're just gonna open this up. This is my purse, I believe, or at least it should be. So we finna just open her up. This is the box that I'm not gonna show you the front because the front has my address on it, duh. So I'm just gonna open her up. I'm out of breath because I had to carry all them boxes. I had to carry all them boxes by myself, so I'm out of breath. But we finna open the box. I got some scissors here. And we finna open the box. I have nails, so I can't just rip through the box like I would normally do. But I want y'all to get the full unboxing experience. Okay. Okay. So this is my bag. I bought a bag and it's Michael Kors. So move that out the way and we're just gonna open her up. So this is, well, y'all can't see what it look like, but and the reason I bought this bag was because I don't buy myself nothing, and I was like, you know what, I want a bag, so I'm gonna buy a bag. And that's what I decided to do. So the tag. So this is what the bag looks like. Hold on, wait. Okay, so what's that extra paper? Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. It's so cute. Hold on. So this is how you clamp it. It's so adorable and it's just so cute. I love this. For me, it's just something small. I used to love, fun fact, right, I used to love big bags, and now I like, you know, small crossbodies. That's just what I like now these days. And so yeah, I'm trying to make sure I don't throw none of the straps out. So this is what it looks like. It's real nice and cute little compact bag. I absolutely love it. It has a little pocket right here, and it's a chain, so you can hold it, and it has a little MK little thing right here. So this is the front of the bag, and this is how you open it. And inside is more paper, more paper, more paper. Okay, and so this is the strap. I'm gonna cut this and then I'm gonna attach it how it's supposed to be attached, and I will show y'all what it's supposed to look like. It looks just like the picture. I really like it. This, as y'all can see, this is my first impression. So it comes with a pink strap, obviously. And this, okay. So actually I'm gonna close the bag first. So It comes with a strap. Ooh, we're gonna put that on. More paper, dang. Ooh. Okay. Tie that back or put that back on. And then boom. So you could carry it with the strap or like this. It's cute either way it go. I think this is just so cute for me. But it's a crossbody. And this is how it's supposed to like sit. Like, so let me just, so this is cute. Okay, this is cute for me. And it's just a little something because I just wanted a new bag. I just wanted a new one. And I have a little wristlet wallet, but I did order me a I have this already. I've had this for about 4 years. I have had this since 2018. Like, this is my wallet and it matches the bag perfectly. And I have a I ordered a card holder because I wasn't sure how big the bag was, and I wasn't sure if this would fit into my bag. So I went ahead and ordered a little card holder, something small. Oh, I didn't show y'all the inside. Okay, so for the inside of the bag, we have a pocket here. This is the pocket, and then that's what it looks like, the inside of the bag. I got it from the Michael Kors website. So originally this bag is $378 on the Michael Kors website. What I paid for it was, so it was on sale for $129 and the total price was $142. So it was on sale for $129 and the total price was $142 plus tax. Okay, so the subtotal was $129 and then plus taxes it was $13.22. My shipping was free. There was no gift charge, there was no promotion, and so the whole total came out to be $142. I am definitely satisfied with my purchase. I'm sorry, y'all, my mama was calling me, and you know, my mama has priority over everybody. Like, if you calling me, I'm most likely like probably not gonna answer your call, especially if I'm busy or if I'm like recording a video. But if that's my mama, if my mama is calling me and I'm not in her presence or, you know, not around her, oh, that phone getting answered. This phone getting answered. You know what I'm saying? This phone is getting answered because that's my mama. Unless you my mama, I ain't answering the phone. You know what I'm saying? Especially if I'm doing something. But yeah, anyways, let's get to this bag. It's so cute. It's medium. I guess this is like medium size. It's so cute. It's so adorable. I absolutely love it. I'm going to adjust the strap just a little bit, and I'm going to put some stuff in here. I need my card holder. I got my card holder from Macy's. I guess I'll do an unboxing on that as well when that does come. But yeah, I need my card holder, like, because this bag, I did not want to put this wallet in this bag because it's a big wallet, you know. And so I wanted to, that's why I got the card holder, so I had to carry this big ass wallet in this purse. It's so cute though. So yeah, it's so cute. It's so adorable. Should I put my stuff in here? Actually, I don't like the way that looks. So we're gonna put that. Yes, that's how it, there we go. So I'm just gonna put the boom, and then the straps can go on the back. So this is one way you can carry it, or like I said, you can carry it with the strap. Either way works for you. So how you open it is you pull this down and it opens, and boom, there you go. So let's just see if y'all have the wristlets. Let's just see if it fits in here. I'm sure it. Oh, it don't fit. It don't move. It don't fit, y'all. It doesn't fit, and I wasn't expecting it to, because it's a smaller bag. As you can see, like the wallet is bigger than the purse, so I didn't expect it to fit, and it doesn't, which is why I'm glad now I got the card holder, so I can just put my card holder in here. But I guess I can just fill this up with some. Oh, okay, I got a little booklet. The booklet was in the little was in here, so I got me a little booklet. So the first thing that I'm gonna put in here is my wipes, because I need my wipes. I'm not finna be wipeless out here in these streets. And what else? So this is the bag that I've been carrying. Another thing I'm gonna put is a lip gloss in here, and my AirPods. Okay. Another thing I'm gonna put in here is some sanitizer. Yes, ma'am. Sanitizer definitely is what I need. Lotion for when you wash your hands, obviously. And everything else, everything else, I was gonna put my black girl sunscreen in there, but no. Let me see. So this is what I keep. Should I wait till I get my card holder? No, I'm not gonna wait. So I'm gonna put, this is just what I keep my cards and stuff in now, and I'm just gonna put that in there as well, and that is all I'm gonna put. So as you can see, very, very nice and durable bag. I love it. Oh, my mask can't go nowhere without the mask. Can go in this section of my purse. That could go in this section. And is that it? Is that all I need? Jumbo scrunchie. Gotta have a jumbo scrunchie at all times. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So I got my AirPods, some lip gloss, some wipes, some sanitizer, my cards. This is taking up space now, but when I get my card holder, I'm going to replace this with my card holder, so there can be more room. And then I got my scrunchie and some lotion, and that is my mask, and that is pretty much all I need for now. So I'm going to close her up. And boom, there we go. This is so cute. It's so cute. It's so adorable. I think I'm gonna like this bag. Yeah, it's so cute. All right, y'all, so this is the bag. $120. Wait, how much? Yeah, it was $129, but full price it was $142, and I think that is very, very good because it's so cute. I absolutely love it. Like I said, you can carry it like this, or you can carry it on the strap. It's so adorable. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is KylaCheese. Let me know if you like my new bag. I thought it was so cute. I haven't bought myself nothing in a minute, so I was like, you know what, it's about that time. So yeah, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.